Audio Jungle.
We have learned about what are atoms and molecules in general, right? So now we are going to differentiate, study the differentiate between atoms and molecules. We are going to study the difference between what? Atoms and molecules. Generally we know about atom is the smallest particle. Atom is the smallest particle of element only. So atom going to be a smallest particle of an element, a single element, chlorine, fluorine, it may be any element. So atom is the smallest particle of an element only, but molecule may be a smallest particle of an element or a compound. It can be either element, it can be either compound, right? It can be either element like Cl2 or a compound HCl. So atom is the smallest particle of an element only, but molecule may be a smallest particle of an element or a compound. Next is that an atom does not exist in free state. As I said before, a single atom cannot exist itself in a free state. It will always combine with another atom to form molecule, right? So atom doesn't exist in free state except some noble gases. So atom cannot exist in free state except some noble gases, but molecule can exist in free state. Atoms are combined to form molecule and they can exist in free state. Next is that atom is highly reactive. As I said that they are highly reactive and they readily combine with another atom to form molecule. So they are highly reactive except some noble gases, and molecules are less reactive. Then atom do not have a chemical bond. Atom in isolated state, it do not form any chemical bond, but if the atoms are combined together, they are held by a strong chemical force of attraction, and that is known as chemical bond. So molecules have chemical bond. So what is the first point? The atom is the smallest particle of an element only, but molecules are the smallest particle of an element or a compound. Next, atom doesn't exist in free space. So they cannot exist in free state, but molecule can exist in free state, either solid state, liquid state or gaseous state. But this cannot exist in any free states. Third point is that they are highly reactive. Atoms are what? They are highly reactive. Molecules are less reactive. Then the fourth point is that it doesn't have a chemical bond. Atom does not form any chemical bond, but molecules they have chemical bond. They will form chemical bond by strong force of chemical attraction. This is the difference between atoms and molecule. It may be asked in 3 marks or 5 marks too. So thank you. This session is over with all these molecules. Definition for molecule, what are the classification of molecule, atomicity, these are on 3 marks, and average relative molecular mass is also 3 marks. Then the difference between atoms and molecule, either it may be asked in 3 marks or 5 marks.